Excellent. Right, balloon animals it is. Okay, so Tony, Chris, and Eddie. Okay? So we have a letter to start on.
E.
E. So start on E. Yeah, go.
Enough with the balloon giraffes, Jeremy! For God's sake, every time you come out shopping, you bring the balloon animals. Giraffe, giraffe, giraffe! Every time! Jesus!
I know you like to make giraffes, but can you not try something else? Maybe a seal or something? I don't know.
Just a doggy, just a little doggy. Doggy.
Keep it real, come on!
Let me say something. I've been making balloon animals since before I knew the pair of you. They'll be with me after we drift apart. Frankly, mother, father, I don't think you're being particularly hospitable towards me. Now that's just exactly what I mean, Mum. Why? Why the I can never that at school because you called me. What do you call me, Gerald? I got oblong. We called you oblong.
Please don't question our authority.
Questions? No, wouldn't be able to answer any of those, would you?
Rubbish! It's rubbish! That's all it is!
Talk to him.
I'm the normal, sir. We would beat you soundly. But if you can make me a lovely ostrich from balloons, we may forgive you.
Very well.
Wow!
Xylophones, can you do xylophones?
You know how to do xylophones.
A zoo of ostriches I'm going to make you, Mum and Dad, and then you'll be proud of me, and I will be Gerald Oblong no more. I will be Sir Gerald Ostrich Bane. Boy, howdy, this has been a swell day.
Can you stop now? We're eager to see what you can do.
Don't rush me, this is going to be perfection.
Oh, and are we going to see what that looks like, are we? Oh dear.